Guys, in 6 months, I have built my own personalized AI operating system while staying in college for my entire code base. What this operating system does is it manages the entire code base just by prompt before pushing it to production. Check this out. This is the website. We'll come back to that later. First, for you guys, I've already pip installed my Oneport's operating system's secret scan, which scans the entire folders before putting it into production. So let's say this is my folder. It has a lot of files, a lot of different folders, and a lot of different files inside the folders. Now, as a developer, it takes around 30 seconds for me, 30 minutes for me to go through each and every file and check that whether it is perfect for production. But Dead Pilot, which is a product of the Oneport operating system, scans it for you beforehand and gives you a final report whether it is safe for production or not. This is just one of the product. There are like right now 15 products. I intend to add more, but let's start on with the video and just see what next. So that's being said, guys, I am Bitan, developer of Oneport, an ex-intern at NVIDIA and currently serving as Google Developer Group head on my campus. I have done 2 internships at PAS and I have been programming since the age of 11. So this is the problem which I face and I built a solution of it while staying in my college. Let's get on with it. So hey guys, welcome back. Coming to the home page of my operating system. So you guys can go through. The link will be in the description. I'll quickly log in and explain you the product one by one in just one line. What this entire operating system is about and what are the products and how do they help in. Hmm, yeah. So once you log in, you can see like what would you like to do to the page. First is to build your website just like Emergent, Lovable. Just put a prompt. It will create a production level website and it will just by clicking a button, it will push your entire website to a live domain without even letting you write a single line of code. Next is manage your software. Here, what you do is you upload your repository and the entire repository will be completely encrypted using an encryption algorithm set by you and an encryption key again given by you. So all the 6 products work together in an orchestrated way to modify or debug your program repository. So code debugger is like you upload your repository, it will be encrypted. Our AI models will work on your repository, debug the code, and give you the final updated code, and you can download the entire repository, the corrected one. Next is code contextualizer. In this, an MNC developer takes like 2 months to get onboarded in a company to understand the code base and what the company does. In this, what happens is you upload your code base, it will generate a video, a PPT, a PDF, and a chatbot for you to understand the entire code base, just like Notebook LM for code repository. In simple words, if you want me to explain. Next is code modifier. What is code modifier? You upload your repository, it will modify the entire code and give you the downloaded version of the modified code, just like debugger but modification. Next is documentation generator. The bigger your code gets, the more tough it is to document it. Thus, documentation generator gives you a production level, enterprise level documentation for your repository and you can download it. Next is database analyzer. Connect your database like a Supabase or upload your MySQL workbench and it will analyze the data just like Google Analytics. Then idea to flowchart, you can just like open the editor and you can like enter the idea. It will generate an entire flowchart for you and just like this. And then once if your flowchart is ready, you can click a button and push it to code generation. Like it's like idea to flowchart, then flowchart to code generation. So next is bot space. So bot space are the one products which you saw in the introduction of the video. Each product works as a CLI tool and it generates and it modifies your code base. You guys can go through it one by one. I'll attach the link to it in below. So yeah, this is what I have built till now. And what I'll do is I will start a series explaining about each product in one video. And at the end of the series, I will make this product open, this operating system open source, so that anyone who is building can tweak the operating system based on their use and can use it as per their specifications. Basically, a personalized AI operating system. Now, why have I built this is because I'm seeing Cloud Code, I'm seeing OpenAI, all these American great AI tech companies building. I want one great tech companies to come from India, and this is the reason why I'm starting Oneport, to build an operating system which can be the core infrastructure for the next billion-dollar company in India. So stay tuned. Stay tuned in the series. I will upload each and every video and about the product, and do like, share, and comment. This gives me motivation to keep uploading the videos. And yeah, that's all about it. I've started a Reddit as well as a Discord channel. You guys can go and comment your views and what you guys have built there. It doesn't have enough restrictions there. And also, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn and Twitter. The link is in the comment section. That's it, and that's all about it. See you guys. Bye bye in the next video.